I guess the needle is threaded with 3 strands of the pink floss. Bring your needle up from the top of the petal, then gently pull it out and poke it back at the bottom. Don't pull the thread too tight. We want the petal to puff up a bit and give that nice 3D effect. If you see, I haven't pulled the thread too tight, and there's a gap in the thread that you can see. Now bring your needle up again really close to where you first started and poke it in again at the bottom in the same hole. We are repeating this on both sides now. Go to the right side next, come up close to the center line and bring the thread down again to the same bottom point. Then do the same on the left. Keep alternating left and right and follow the petal outline that's drawn on your fabric. Guys, don't worry if your stitches are close together. In fact, that's good. Just don't go too far away from the lines. Try to poke your needles very close to the stitches that you have just made. You can also guide the thread with your finger as you go. That helps keep the shape neat and it also prevents tangles. So you can see I'm just repeating the process on the left and the right side. So once you have got a nice full petal shape, you can stop stitching. So I have stopped stitching. You are seeing, right? I have got a full petal shape. I am repeating the same process for all the 7 petals here. One quick tip. Stick to your guidelines. Either write on them or just inside or outside. But just don't wander around away from the guidelines. So what I mean is, when you're poking the needles on the guideline, always poke it on the guideline and form your pattern. If you're following outside the guideline or just inside the guideline, follow the same for stitching or the complete pattern. So this will give a nice and neat look for your embroidery. Now you can see the petals are completed. It's nice. I'll show you how to tie the knot or finish it off. Bring your needle under a few stitches at the back, and when a little loop forms, tuck your needle through it and pull it to make a knot. Don't pull it too tight. Then snip off the extra thread, and just like that, you have stitched all your petals. I guess the needle is threaded with